Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain public vs. Godi media, which is better. Start by looking at how each outlet is funded and why funding shapes coverage, tone, and accountability. I will compare content goals, editorial independence, and audience trust, and highlight practical signs viewers can use to spot bias. By the end, you should feel clearer about evaluating headlines, sources, and the incentives that drive different media outlets for smarter news choices. Let's break down how funding changes what you see on screen and online. Public media aims to serve wider civic needs, but still faces budget pressure that can shape content choices. Godi media often aligns with political goals, prioritizing narratives that support sponsors or power structures. I'll point out funding signals to watch for and simple questions you can ask to assess whether a story serves public interest or political interest. Quick recommendation and a small favor. If this video helps you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear explainers. On another note, the product you saw here makes meal prep simple and leak-proof, a handy low-stress win while following the news. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Credibility comes from consistent sourcing, transparent corrections, and a separation between editorial and funding influence. Public journalism typically aims for balance and investigation, but still faces resource limits that affect coverage depth. Godi outlets can be persuasive and fast, yet may prioritize messaging that reinforces power dynamics. I'll show practical cues to distinguish reliable reporting from agenda-driven pieces, so you can choose sources that match your information needs and values.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.